In the last video, I showed you how to set up a provider for Claude Code. If you haven't seen that one, feel free to go back and check it out. Now we are going to explore some simple things we can do with that tool, whether it is creating a web app or just a text file. So let's get started. To do that, create a new folder on your computer and open a new terminal inside that folder. Once you're in there, open a new Claude session by typing Claude into it and allow the access. So now we can just type in things we want Claude to build for us. At first, I told him to look up all the World Cup winners and list them in a text file. After it came up with the final results, it asked for permission to create the file via a bash command. You can just allow it once, or you can select a second option, and Claude will never ask again for this command and will automatically create the file in the future. Well, we are getting into this a bit deeper later in this episode. For now, just allow it. Back in your folder, we can see that Claude has successfully created the file. Let's have a look. Yeah, it nailed the job. Okay, that was just warm up. Let's see how he handles something a bit more sophisticated. This time I told him to build a classic, the well-known game Snake. After just a few seconds, he had written an entire HTML site from scratch, and even gave me instructions on how to open it. So let's take a look and see what he's came up with. Of course, the results highly depends on your selected model. If you're not satisfied with it, you should consider changing the model first. In the next video, I will show you exactly that. And I also want to cover how to use the tool in a real coding environment, like Visual Studio Code, to handle more complex apps. So stay tuned and don't be afraid to build some cool web apps too.